Welcome back to Motor Madness, your trusted channel for the latest and most in-depth car reviews. Today, we're diving into one of Toyota's most talked about MPVs for the year, the 2025 Toyota Esquire. Known for blending premium comfort with family practicality, the Esquire has undergone a significant refresh this year, making it more refined, tech-savvy, and performance-oriented than ever before. Whether you're a family looking for space and safety or an executive seeking understated luxury, the 2025 Esquire might just be the perfect fit. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Toyota Esquire commands attention with its bold and mature design. It maintains the signature upright and boxy silhouette typical of Japanese MPVs, but this year, Toyota has sharpened the lines and added elegant touches that elevate its road presence. The front fascia is dominated by a large chrome grille that seamlessly integrates with slim, full LED headlights. These headlights now feature adaptive beam technology, giving better visibility and a more futuristic aesthetic. The front bumper has been redesigned with wider air intakes, giving the Esquire a sportier and more aggressive stance. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the clean, sculpted body panels with chrome accents along the window line. The 17-inch alloy wheels come with a new dual-tone finish that complements the overall premium vibe. At the rear, the taillights are now sleeker, connected by a slim LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate, giving it a more modern, upscale appearance. It's not a radical departure from its predecessor, but the design refinements make it look more sophisticated and appealing on the road. Stepping inside, the 2025 Esquire continues to impress with a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a family van. Toyota has gone all out to enhance comfort and functionality. The dashboard layout is clean and minimalistic, dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that, you'll find soft-touch materials, wood grain accents, and ambient lighting that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The seats are wrapped in high-quality synthetic leather, with plush cushioning and excellent lumbar support. The second row is where the Esquire really shines. It features two individual captain's chairs with extendable ottomans, adjustable armrests, and even built-in seat heaters. Passengers back here will feel like they're flying business class. The third row is also surprisingly spacious, with a 60/40 split fold option that gives you flexibility depending on your cargo and passenger needs. There's ample headroom and legroom throughout the cabin, and with smart storage compartments spread across the interior, practicality hasn't been compromised. Features like a panoramic sunroof, triple-zone climate control, rear seat entertainment screens, and a 12-speaker JBL sound system make the Esquire feel far more upscale than your average MPV. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota Esquire offers two powertrain options depending on the market. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter dynamic force engine producing around 170 horsepower and paired with a direct shift CVT for smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. The highlight, however, is the hybrid variant, which combines a 1.8-liter Atkinson cycle engine with Toyota's latest hybrid system, delivering a combined output of approximately 140 horsepower. While that might not sound thrilling on paper, the hybrid system offers seamless transitions between petrol and electric power, delivering an ultra-smooth driving experience perfect for urban commuting and long family road trips. The steering is light yet responsive, and the suspension has been retuned to offer better ride comfort over rough surfaces. It's not built for performance thrills, but it excels in delivering a quiet, comfortable, and efficient drive, exactly what MPV buyers are looking for. Toyota has also beefed up the safety credentials of the 2025 Esquire. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The 360-degree camera system and parking sensors make maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Parents will appreciate the ISO f1x anchor points and the additional airbag coverage throughout the cabin. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Toyota Esquire is positioned as a premium MPV, and its pricing reflects that. In Japan, the base petrol variant starts around 3.2 million yen, which translates to roughly $22,000 USD. The fully loaded hybrid variant can go up to 4.5 million yen, or about $31,000 USD. Pricing may vary slightly depending on taxes and local market features, but overall, the Esquire offers excellent value for what it brings to the table, especially when you consider the level of comfort, features, and Toyota's long-standing reliability. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Esquire is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a luxurious yet practical MPV. It offers a well-thought-out balance of premium design, spacious and comfortable interiors, modern tech, and fuel-efficient performance. While it doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, it does everything exceptionally well, making it a standout option in the competitive family van segment. If you're considering a vehicle that can handle school runs, weekend getaways, and even executive transport duties in style, the Esquire deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Motor Madness. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews and automotive content every week. See you in the next one.